cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 80 cents, 400, 200, 150, 500, 3200, 2244, 2415, 500, 6, 10, 8. Notice that when we do the check here, so 1 times that plus 1 times that plus 1 times that plus 1 times that gives me 1250. Then 1 times 3 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 0 plus 1 times 0 gives me 5. 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 4 plus 1 times 4 gives me 12. And then 1 times 2 plus 1 times 4 plus 1 times 5 plus 1 times 1 gives me 12. Finally, 1 times 50 cents, 1 times 20 cents, 1 times 30 cents, 1 times 8 cents, $1.80. So what this is saying is if I wanted to maximize my diet variety and just ate one piece of cheesecake, 1 brownie, 1 scoop of ice cream, and drank 1 Coke, it cost me $1.80. Okay? But what do you see? It's not feasible. It's not feasible because 5 on chocolate is less than 6. So I know that cannot be the right answer. Okay? I know this cannot be the right answer because this is not a feasible solution. 1250 is bigger than 500 and 12 is bigger than 10 and 12 is bigger than 8. But 5 down is just not enough chocolate. Oh, my wife. It's a rough cow. Right. Especially that Theo's. Alright, so if I go up here to data and I go to solver, I get the dialog box that says, you mean you want to minimize, see how I've got the min button? Minimize F9? Yes. I want to minimize F9. Let's look at laptop on both sides.
So your initial guess doesn't have to be in the feasibility?
Nope. It does not. It just has to be something. It could be zeros. But again, I do the ones because that's how I check my formulas. My changing cells are these right here, B12 through E12. That's what I've told right there, B12 through E12. Then my constraints say F 4 through 7 has got to be greater or equal to H 4 through 7. I am making it all of them non-negative, and I'm using the simplex, and when I do that and say go, I get this answer right here. That says my original diet, eating maximum variety, 1111, $1.80. But my accountant wife loves this diet because it's 90 cents a day. But I get to eat no brownies, I get to eat no cheesecake, I got to eat 3 scoops of ice cream and drink a Coke every day. And I've satisfied my minimum requirement of all those calories, chocolate, sugar, and fat for 90 cents a day. Okay? Now again, obviously folks are making jokes about food, but this is exactly how the school system comes up that ketchup is a vegetable. Okay? Except of how the school works, how colleges work, how military works, etc. Okay? Notice again that I did not restrict any of this. We just got lucky. It turned out to be these were whole numbers. However, it is okay to eat a half brownie, drink a half a can of Coke, etc. So, but it turns out these were whole numbers. In the constraints, when we scroll down a little bit, 2 are binding and 2 are non-binding. So if we could draw the picture in 4-dimensional space, right? I'd be trying to get to 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros, right? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4-dimensional origin. And I have this kind of 2, I got 4, I got 0, 0. Chocolate and sugar are binding. I'm using exactly 6 and 10, but I've got more fat than I need, 5 more ounces of fat, and I've got 250 more calories than I need. So that's why those have slack. So in a way, in four-dimensional space, I can visualize that picture because I'm